Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, 2023 Transcend 321BH. We have pass-through storage here. These steps lead right up into the bedroom. I'll open up the bed so you can see the underbed storage. Nice and deep. Plenty of space there to put luggage, chairs, pass-through bathroom, nice size shower, commode. We have your dining area, theater seating, very nice kitchen, plenty of cabinet space, microwave oven, 3-burner cooktop. We have a nice oven here as well. Refrigerator and freezer, flat screen TV. Look how deep these cabinets are. And then behind the flat screen TV, we have additional storage space. And then here's the real hidden gem. We have a half bath right off of the bunkhouse, so you know anyone in the bunkhouse doesn't have to go far to go to the restroom. Let me hit my light here. We have additional cabinet space, cubby space, plenty of seating, and then check out these drawers. Look how deep those things are. So you have four drawers rather. Place for a flat screen TV, USB port, your plug-in for your TV, LED lighting. Then we have these little cubbies right here. More drawers, more cubbies. Your heater vent. Really a nicely laid out unit. Again, 2023 Transcend 321BH. Thanks again for watching. Catch you on the next video. I do want to show you one other thing. I just realized I didn't show you the outdoor kitchen. So we also have the outdoor kitchen, refrigerator, and 2-burner cooktop. Thanks again for watching. Catch you on the next video.